this lesson, we discuss about the motives and function of a business, where the main motives and function of business, like any business function and decisions, key terms and concept of business, like a business is an enterprise that provides products and services desired by any customer or consumers, where the goal of the business is to be profitable. Profitable means profit is equal to revenue minus expenses, where profit go to the business owner and or a major incentive and reward for the success. And different economists identify the following different motives, like first one is profit maximization, where maximizing profit means achieving the highest possible profit for the risk taker, and sales volume maximization, where sales revenue maximization, market share, survival, shareholder value, and ethical goals satisfactory in different other motives and functions of the business. And the main learning objectives in this recorded lecture is to introduce the key term and concept and identify the key stakeholders that are involved in the business and outline resources used to produce products and services. Understand the impact of the business and environments and key business function and decisions, which are the key objective of this chapter. And in key terms and the concepts about business motives and function of business, where a business is an enterprise that provides products or services desired by customers, and the goal of a business is to be profitable, where profit is equal to revenue minus expenses, and profit go to the business owner and are a major incentive and reward for success to the business owners, where the profits of the business or the incentive of the business is used by the business owner for more productions, more satisfaction, and more incentives and profitability for the organization for the setup or business entity, where the goals of the manager is to maximize the firm value or maximize the profitability of the firm, maximize the technological advancement, maximize the innovations, and maximize the product involvement and productivity of any organization, where the annual reports of different companies give us the suggestions or missions to increase the profitability, enhance the shareholders' goodwill, and also enhance the market value of its product, where the Walmart company says that everything we do is designed to build shareholder value over the long haul. As Zenith Electronics are given the mission statement that we are not promising miracles, just hard work with a total focus on why we are in business to enhance stockholder value. And the Coca-Cola mission is to create value of our share owners, and that remains our true bottom lines in the business motives. And the main stakeholder in the business keys are owner, which is organize, manage, and assume risk of starting a business is the main responsibility of the owner of business, while the creditors provide loans to this to start a business activities, and employees which are hired to conduct the business operations, to enhance the quality of the product, to enhance the profitability, and to enhance the productivity of the products. When we hired a employee, we see the skills of that employee, we see the education and historical background of any employees, and suppliers which provide material needed for productions, and customers are the key stakeholders of any business, like which buy products which satisfy their needs, which provides the main satisfaction to the customers, and they are up to the marks, and also it's fulfill the wants of the customers. And the stakeholder interactions like invested purchases, dividends, products, repayments, supplies, where firm run by its employees and customer use the products or then purchase the products. Owner of the firm, creditors, and suppliers are the main stakeholder interaction between the employees and the business entity or any institution with those stakeholders. And the resources which are required for production, like natural resources, like human resources, capital, and entrepreneurship, which is intangible assets, and it's all used to produce a product or services. And all the firms and institution or business which are rely on the factors of productions, which are the main factors of production in a natural sources, in a human sources, in a capital and entrepreneurships, and many other sources which are useful for the production of any organization. And business environment, which is very important for any business entity, where we cannot control the business environment like social environment of the business, industrial environment at micro level, and economic environment as macro level like country environment or state environment, and global environment. It's also a non-controllable business environment by the owner of the business or any organization, where the key function of the business is first one management, then marketing and finance, where management function is to means by which employees and other resources are used by the firms, or to manage the employees, to manage the activities of any organization for the fulfillment or attainment of the goals or attainment of the mission of any organization. And management plays a key role for any organization to enhance the productivity for any organization. And marketing, which means which products and services are developed, priced, distributed, and promoted to the customers. Marketing department is very important department for any organization, that it's provide the awareness, it provides the attractiveness towards the products, and it's also settle the goals of development, distribution, promotion of the products. And finance department, which means by which firms obtain and use funds for their business operations. Here in finance department we used as a funds for their business operations, which provides funds, which obtain different funds and profit for his organization by using its skills. And accountings, which is also a key function of business, which summarized and analysis of the firm financial condition or financial position. It provides the or it's manage the finance within different departments and used to make various business decisions, accounting decisions, like different statements are used to take business decisions, like financial statements are used for business decisions, income statement, retained earnings statements, and different other statements will give us the details about the business decision that we take this decision or not. And information systems, now nowadays or currently, information system is very useful and important for any organization, like new innovations at global sector or new innovations at different departments. We need to set up that innovation in our organization, like information technology, people, and procedures that provide appropriate information to provide effective decisions in our productivity, effective decisions in our settlement of different disputes, effective decisions in accounting, and different decisions, information decisions are effective decisions in finance department or in our management, which from which we control our management system easily. And the common business decisions which are management decision, when we equipped our management with a new information, with a new advancement, new technology, then it's a need of any management. And it's how many employees should be hired, it's also a business decision. How can employee be motivated to perform well? It's also a management decision, that how the management take decisions to motivate his employees to hire, while hired the employees. What are the main requirement of the hire hirement of any employees? When we hire the employee, what is the main requirement of that employee according to his skill, according to his historical experience, and many other things which are the main need of that organization or that project. And in marketing decisions, where we see the main common decision in the shape of price should be charged, and it should the product be changed to be more appealing to customers, more motivated towards customers, and customers fulfill or customer desire that products, and that products fulfill the needs and wants of the customer. And it should the firm use advertising or some other strategy to promote its products by marketing decisions in common business decisions. While we take financial decision or finance decision, which should finance support come from the sale of stock or from borrowing money or some combinations, where the firm should attempt to obtain borrowed funds or other short term or long term periods. We borrow a loan from different institutions in the shape of short term and long terms. And in financial decisions, we should also take firm investment funds in new businesses projects, in new areas, in new regions, and what is the new settlement of business in different products. And business decisions and earnings, where we see the demand for product in the firms, we create revenue. And management decision, marketing decision, finance decision. In marketing decision, we also discuss about the marketing expenses. And in finance decision, we see the interest expenses. And in management decision, where we take production expenses and different team leaders, and also settlement of goals, and command different department within any organization. And one thing kept in mind, that successful business do not require a great invention. Like many focus on making life more convenient for the customers and fulfill the wants and needs of the customers. And some business ideas will fail, but entrepreneurs can learn some from failures to make revisions of that decisions, and make a different decisions which are more beneficial for any organization. And when we're looking forward to the next step, where business environments are more attractive, and where business environments are more beneficial towards the organization, and make a more attractiveness in the organization, more efficient and fruitful working of the management towards the organization to enhance the profitability and enhance the customer wants, and also it's fulfilled the desires of the customers and consumers of any particular area. Where business environment, organizing a business, and organizing a business also oversees or manage the management by different management, upper level management, lower level management, or middle level management. And managing implies is also organizing a business, and marketing department organized a business, and financial management is also organized a business. These all are the main motives and decision making of any business processes for enhance the